So for us, the major development we've done, and we are still in the process of doing, is what we've called our customer access program. It's a program we set to save £3 million over the next 3 years, and really putting the customer at the center of everything we do. So using a user-centered approach and lean thinking to actually deliver better digital services. So the Google technology has had the greatest impact at two main areas. One, which is on the search. So it's directly for the customer to be able to find the relevant information. But I think there's much more we can do. At the moment, our searches represent about 8.5% of our visit. We know we can do better, and we know our customer want to do more of this. But behind the scene, because of the user-centered approach we've got to designing services, collection of data has been critical. Understand the behaviors of our customer online, and Google Analytics has been instrumental to this. So we involve customers straight out from the outset. So as part of designing services, we run focus group. We get customer involved into the design section. So before we start coding anything, we already know that they will respond positively to those designs. And then, of course, when we've delivered the services, about monitoring the take-up and the conversion rates of those services to make sure that we deliver the best digital experience we can. Google Analytics helps a lot to understand what are the search terms people use more. Then we can leverage the power of the Google Search Appliance to actually make sure that those content is promoted where it sees fit. And then we've got more advanced technique on ensuring that the content is semantically enriched, and this probably for us the next frontier in the search space. Well, first and foremost is making sure that the customer get the service they want at the time they need it, the way they want it. I think is very important. We are a government organization, we're not a commercial organization, so the way a customer will interact with us will be different than the way they interact with other organizations. I think it's important to respond to this. And I think for us is encouraging customer to be more participative, having a voice in the decision-making process, having a voice in the way they want those services to deliver, and we need to respond to this. I think it's about getting the excitement of Google, getting the brand into Camden has been not only helping the change in the technological landscape, but also infusing a drive for cultural change, which is quite important, because I think it is very important that the company you partner with represent the kind of culture you want to embed into your organization. So Google has been one of the partners that we've decided because they represent some of the values that we share.